house. Not sure if the camera's panning up or down or not. We are looking in really good shape. Now, I know some of you guys are gonna judge me for how messy the site is. And you know what? I always like to be transparent about how we roll. I'm not gonna lie, this is not Sprucehill standards. That said, we've got 7 framers ripping around this house right now. And so it is a little messier than it should really be. Let's have a look around and check out and see what's going on. We're absolutely crushing it right now, right? We had to backfill the entire house. We had to put structural fill in underneath the foundations for the garage here. We formed and poured the foundations for the garage. We framed the garage. We've got the entire house framed. We've got trusses on. Roofing is coming soon. We've got all of the drainage underneath the slab done downstairs. Second garage, detached garage, also framed. Let's go in the backyard and check that out. Garage. We've got house framed over here. Lots and lots and lots of glorious, amazing work going on back here. Foyer, stairs, linen closet. We've got our kitchen, wrap around, island here, over here. Great room with amazing vaulted attic. That is gonna look so, so, so cool. Office with skylight. Pretty cool. And vaulted ceiling too. Vaulted ceiling, nice. Formal living. Also, vaulted ceiling. Now, one of the neat features of this house is it actually comes with its own primary suite on the main floor. So if we go through here, bathroom. Over here, bedroom that walks out to the back patio. Let's check that out. Ah, very cool. Walk-in closet. Let's pop upstairs. Right now, the camera is positioned right at the top of the stairs. So 1 bedroom that way, 1 bedroom that way, another bedroom this way, and another bedroom that way. In a matter of weeks, we have got this house framed. We've done all of the drainage for the basement. So the sump pump and sump and the drainage lines for all the bathrooms and everything else in the basement, done. We've got drain tile done. We've got damp proofing done. We've got dimple membrane done. We have backfilled most of the house. Goal for the rest of this week is to spray foam underneath the slab, get ready for pouring the slab. Then we are hoping to get the stairs down to the basement suite, or weather permitting, obviously. But honestly, I don't think you could find a custom home of this magnitude and this quality getting built in such a tight time frame by anybody else but Sprucehill. And we do this through meticulous scheduling, working with our trade partners, and really, really, really pushing the envelope in terms of making sure things are getting done. So if you are looking to have a great experience, get your home built on time, on budget, and have a great experience, move in, be done, no stress after the fact, call Sprucehill. If you like this video, hit subscribe and like. My kids keep reminding me to say that. If you'd like to learn more about us, visit us at our website, sprucehill.ca. As I always say, stay awesome, and thanks for watching.